Good morning, fishing cart owners. My name's William Clardy. 910-540-8589. And this morning I had just installed one of my power kits on this Fishing Mate Junior cart for a fella. And anyway, I wanted to do a video of how it went on there, but I forgot about it. So anyway, there it is, already assembled and ready to roll. Power kits for fishing carts. And there's no need to spend $3,000 when this whole outfit minus the cart could be yours for $495. That's the power kit only. You'll need a cart. But sometimes I do have carts I'll sell and they go for $725 with the power kit and the cart. And he had to go give him some money, so he'll be back in a little bit to pick up his cart. Alright, thank you guys for watching. And give me a call if you want to get a power kit on your fishing cart. Thank you.